Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with foreclosure.com for local auction leads, full guide step by step. To connect with foreclosure.com for local auction leads, begin by visiting their official website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar prominently displayed. Enter your local area or zip code to narrow down the search results. After hitting the search button, review the list of available properties in your area. Click on a property that interests you to view detailed information. On the property page, look for auction details, including date and time. Take note of the auction type, whether it's online or in person. Next, register for an account on foreclosure.com if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to create your account, providing necessary information such as your email and phone number. Once your account is set up, log in to access additional features. Utilize the filters available to refine your search based on your investment criteria. If interested in a specific property, download or print any relevant documents available. Reach out to the auction company listed for further questions or clarification. Regularly check your email for updates on new auction leads matching your criteria. Consider joining the foreclosure.com community forum for additional insights and networking opportunities. To stay informed, follow your local market trends and stay engaged with foreclosure.com. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to connect with foreclosure.com for local auction leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.